Hi friends, it was so good to see so many of you at Central on Friday to pick up the books that my friends, the Burgers, bought for you. When somebody gives you a gift, it's nice that you write them a thank you note. So we're going to write a thank you note to my friends, the Burgers, today. When we write a thank you note, you're going to draw a really nice picture for them first. Make sure you color it, make sure you do your best work. I drew a picture of me reading one of the books they gave us. And I like to read outside on my patio, so I drew some trees to show that I'm outside. You show where you like to read. They would like to see that, I know it. And the first thing I'm going to write on my paper is my name. I always write my name at the top. I'm going to write Mickey, because that's what my family calls me, Mickey. And where does your name go? Name on your paper, first thing. Name on your paper, first thing. Where does it go? At the top. Where does it go? At the top. Name on your paper, first thing. After you write your name and you've drawn a quality illustration, make sure it's beautiful. Make sure you color it. Make sure it looks really nice, because we're going to give this to my friends, the Burgers. I'm going to take pictures of it. I'm going to take screenshots, and I will send that to them so they can see it. They're going to be really excited. People like to get thank you letters when they give people things. So the first thing we need to write is the greeting, and we're going to write, Dear Burger Family. Dear Burger Family. Say it again. Dear Burger Family. Say it like a monster. Dear Burger Family. Say it like a teeny tiny mouse. Dear Burger Family. Say it like a robot. Dear Burger Family. Say it like a 4-year-old, 5-year-old, or 6-year-old child. Dear Burger Family. Our first word is dear. When I say dear, the first sound I hear is duh. I'm going to write an uppercase D. Pull down, up, back and around. Dear. Now I know dear is kind of a quick and easy word, so I'm going to write the letter E next to the D. I'm going to write a lowercase a. And when I say dear, the last sound I hear is so I'm going to write a lowercase r. Dear. Dear. And we can touch it and read it. Dear. I'm going to put a space. The next word is going to be burger. That's their last name, Burger. And when I say burger, the beginning sound I hear, the first sound I hear is buh. So I'm going to write an uppercase B, a capital B, because it's a name. We always use an uppercase letter when we're writing a name first. The first letter in a name is always an uppercase capital letter. Burger. The next sound I hear is and I know that the letter R needs a helper letter, so I'm writing an E next to it. And then the letter R, Gur, g, g. I hear the sound g, so I'm going to write a letter G for that sound. I hear again, just like burr, so I'm going to write another ER. E-R. Dear Burger Family. When I say family, the beginning sound I hear is f. I'm going to put a space, and I'm going to write an uppercase, a capital F, because this is their name. And when we write a name, the first letter is always an uppercase capital letter. Family. The next sound I hear for family is so I'm going to write a letter A for that sound. Fam. I hear the sound I'm going to write the letter M when I hear the sound Fam. When I say the next sound I hear is I write the letter I for the sound Family. I hear the sound When I hear the sound I will write the letter L. Pull down. And family. And when I hear the E sound at the end of a word, I'm going to put a letter Y usually. I don't know why, but sometimes when the Y is at the end of a word, it makes the sound E. And we're going to read it. Dear Burger Family. Dear Burger Family. Dear Burger Family. And we need to put a comma at the end. A comma is a juicy period with a hook that tells your reader to take a little break from reading. So we wrote our greeting, Dear Burger Family. What should we tell them? We can write, thank you for the book. We can say, I like my book. We can say, this book is a good book to read. But you know what I'm thinking? I think if we write, I like my book, that would be really kind. I like my book. I think they would like that. And we know the quick and easy word I. Let's practice saying the words first. I like my book. Say it like a monster. I like my book. Say it like a teeny tiny mouse. I like my book. Say it like a robot. I like my book. I like my book. When we practice saying our sentence, when we say the words again and again, it helps us remember what we're going to write and helps us plan it. I'm going to plan the words on the paper. I like my book. You can do that too. I like my book. What's the first word we need to write? It's a quick and easy word, I. And we know that word, so I'm going to write the word I right here. Pull down, across, across. I, we know that word. When I write my letters, they're all going to be on the line like a car on the road. That way your writing is legible. Other people can read it when your writing is legible. What was our next word? I like. I'm going to put a space and write the quick and easy word like. Like is another quick and easy word. We're going to write it, all the letters we hear, and write it fast. Like. I hear the sound ul. I'm going to write the letter L for the sound ul. Ul. I. I hear the sound I. I can write the letter I for that sound. Like. When I hear the sound k, I can write a C or a K, and the word like has a K in it. So I'm going to put the letter K, pull down, pull in, pull back, and it has an E at the end. The E's quiet. We don't say like E, we just say like, but the E's telling that I, say your name. Let's read it. I like my. My. My's another quick and easy word. It's a word we need to read and write fast. We see the word my everywhere, and we need to know how to write it fast. So we're going to write the quick and easy word my. When I say my, the beginning sound in here is And what letter do we write for the beginning sound That's right, we write the letter M. I'm going to put a space and put a letter M. Pull down, up, over, down, up, over, down. My. And the next letter for my is Y. M-Y spells my. We have 3 quick and easy words we can read now. I like my book. I like my book. I like my book. Let's write the word book. I'm going to put a space. I hear the sound bu, like burger. So I'm going to write a lowercase b. Pull down, touch the line, pull back and around, up and around. Book. Now the next sound for book is And usually we write a U for that, but I'm going to write 2 O's. I know the word book has 2 O's, like boo. The last sound for book is k. And what letters do we write for the sound k? We can write the letter C or the letter K. But I know the word book ends with a K. So I'm going to pull down, pull in, pull back. K. Let's read it. I like my book. And we're going to put a juicy period. The juicy period is a dot at the end of the sentence next to the last letter on the line that tells your reader to stop reading that sentence. Can we read our whole letter? Dear Burger Family, I like my book. Dear Burger Family, I like my book. And I think maybe we should write thank you. Wouldn't that be kind? Thank you. That would be kind if we write thank you. And then maybe our name. Thank you, comma, and then write your name. Let's do that. So thank you. Thank is a quick and easy word. I hear the sound at the beginning, so I'm going to write an uppercase T, because it's our first word. T, H. When I hear the sound, I'm going to write the letters TH. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to practice our sentence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say it like a monster. Thank you. Say it like a teeny tiny mouse. Thank you. Say it like a robot. Thank you. Thank you. Say it like a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, or a 6-year-old's child. Thank you. Right. Let's keep writing. A. I heard the sound A, so I'll write the letter A. Thing. When I hear the sound I'm going to write the letter N. Pull down, up, over, down. Thank. The last sound I hear for thank and thank is k, like book and like. So I'm going to write a letter K. Thank. And our next word is you. Use another quick and easy word. I'm going to put a space between my words, and I'm going to write the quick and easy word you. Yeah. I hear the sound yeah. I will write the letter Y for that sound. You. The word you, I hear the sound you, but I'm going to write the letters O, U for the word you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's read our sentences. Let's read the whole letter. Ready? Dear Burger Family, I like my book. Thank you. And we're going to put a comma, juicy period, with a hook that says take a little break. And we're going to write our name. Thank you. And I'm going to write Mickey, because that's what my family calls me. And I'm going to write it nice so the Burger family can read my writing. Let's read our sentence one more time. Let's read our letter one more time. Our thank you letter to the Burger family. Dear Burger family, I like my book. Thank you, Mickey. They are going to love to get your letters. I can't wait to see the letters that you write to them. Remember, the first thing we did was draw our illustration and color it and make it look nice. Do your very best for the Burger family. I wrote my name on my paper at the top, because that's what we do. Then I wrote my sentences. Dear Burger family, I like my book. Thank you, Mickey. I wrote down the sounds that I hear. I practiced saying the words before I wrote them. I put spaces between the words. I used punctuation. You're going to write like a 5-year-old, a 4-year-old, or a 6-year-old child. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see grown-up writing. I don't want to see book writing. I want to see kid writing. Are you ready? Get to work. And make sure you take a picture of your letter and put it on Seesaw for us to see so I can share it with the Burger family.